Today, we're explaining the incredible technology behind the United States military.
Military technology now depends on AI, cyber defense, drones, and high-tech weapons. Artificial intelligence helps commanders analyze data faster and make better decisions during missions. AI systems can scan radar, satellite, and sensor signals instantly to guide military operations. The U.S. military also protects its networks using powerful cyber defense systems.
These systems stop cyber attacks before they can damage communication or intelligence.
Unmanned drones are used for surveillance, rescue missions, and support during operations. Some drones even fly in swarms, working together like a team using AI guidance.
Robots help explore dangerous areas, so soldiers don't have to risk their lives.
The U.S. Navy uses high-energy lasers that can stop drones using focused light beams.
These laser systems cost less to operate and don't need traditional ammunition.
Hypersonic weapons travel more than 5 times the speed of sound, making them very hard to intercept.
Their speed allows quick response to threats anywhere in the world.
These technologies help reduce risks, protect soldiers, and keep global security stable.
From AI to drones and lasers, U.S. military technology is advancing faster than ever.
Should we explain next? Tell us in the comments.